Good morning 5th class children. In the previous video we learned about capacity. Now let us recall some points children. Kiloliters. Kiloliters are used to measure large capacities. So short form for kiloliters is KL. Next, liters. Liters are the basic units to measure medium capacities children. L is the short form for liters. Milliliters. Milliliters. Milliliters are used to measure lesser capacities. This short form for this is ml. So here liters is the basic unit, standard unit in the capacity children. Now tell me 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Now 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. Now let us do workbook children. Workbook page number 36 and 37. Open your workbooks. Now open page number 36 in your workbook children. Look here. Solve the following. 1513 milliliters. You have to change them into liters and milliliters. So how many liters are in this? 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters children? 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Here they are given 1513 milliliters. In this 1000 milliliters are there na? So that is 1 liter. And the remaining 513 is milliliters. So here the thousands place value is liters. The remaining 3-digit number is milliliters. Next one. 16,160 milliliters. So how many liters are here? What is the number in thousands place and 10,000s place? 16. 16,000 means 16 liters. Remaining 160 milliliters. Now 2.5 liters is equal to dash milliliters. You have to change 2.5 liters into milliliters. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Then 2 liters is equal to 2000 milliliters. Yes or no? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Then 2 liters is equal to 2000 milliliters. Now half liter. 1 by 2 divide with 2. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1 divided by 2 means half liter. You also divide milliliters with 2. So how many times? 2 5s 10. Remaining 2 zeros are there. 500 milliliters. So half liter means 500 milliliters. Half of 1000. Now add these two numbers. 2000 plus 500 how much? 2500 milliliters. 5401 milliliters is equal to dash liters dash milliliters. 5 liters 401 milliliters. Next 124 liters is equal to dash milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 124 liters is equal to 124 after write 3 zeros. So 1,24,000 milliliters. 3 by 4 liter is equal to dash milliliters. Look here children. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters na? This is total part. So if you divide with 4 this one, then you will get 250. This is 1/4 part. Now here they are asking 3/4. If you add this number 2 times, then you will get 3/4 of the liter. So 250 plus 250 plus 250, how much? 750 ml. So 3/4 of the liter is equal to 750 ml. Next one. How much more water is required to fill each jug up to 850 ml? So here you have to fill up to 850 ml. So they are given some liquids in the jars, children. The remaining quantity you will find out. First of all, what is the quantity in the jar? How much liquid is here? Look, 250 ml. 250 ml is already filled in the jar. Now you have to fill up to 850 ml. So if you subtract 250 from 850, then you will get the answer. 850 minus 250. How much? 0 minus 0? 0. 5 minus 5? 0. 8 minus 2? 6. So you have to fill 600 ml to reach 850 ml. Okay? Next one. Look here. 0 ml after each small line indicates 50, 100, 150. Each small line indicates 100 ml, children, here. This is 100, 200, 300, 400. Next, this one 500. So, how much quantity is filled here? 200 ml is filled. So, if you want to reach 850 ml, so how much more water is required to fill here? 850 minus 200. How much? 0 minus 0? 0. 5 minus 0? 5. 8 minus 2? 6. So 650 ml water is required to fill to reach 850 ml. Next, how much water should you pour out from each jug to drop the water level down to 650 ml? In the previous question, they are asking how much more water is required to fill. But here, how much water should be poured out from the jug? Drop the water level. So here, what is the actual quantity in the jar? So each smaller line indicates 50, children. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. So here 500 after 550, 600, 650, 700. So actually the jar is filled with 700 ml. How much water is to pour out from the jug? Then you will reach 650 ml. So what you have to do here? So actual quantity minus this amount. Then you will get the out water. 650 ml. Subtract these two numbers. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5, not possible. Get borrow. 7 becomes 6, 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 6 minus 6, 0. So here you have to pour out 50 ml of water. Next one. Here each smaller line indicates 100 ml. So here 1000 after 1100, 1200 ml is filled. 1200 ml of water is filled in the jar. So how much water you should pour out from this jar? If you subtract 650 from 1200, 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5, not possible. Get borrow. 2 becomes 1, 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 1 minus 6, not possible. Again get borrow. 1 becomes 0, 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 6, 5. So here you have to pour out 550 ml of water to reach the to drop the water level down to 650 ml. Last one in this page. If you add 450 ml of water to each jug, what would be the new reading? They already filled with some water and asking another some more water you have to add to that, that is 450 ml. Now what is the new reading for that jar? Okay, so here each smaller line indicates 50 ml children. So here 500 after 550 ml. Already 550 ml of water is filled in that jar. So after you are adding 450 ml. Add means addition na. So add 550 plus 450, how much? 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 is carry forward. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 1000 ml. This jar reading is, new reading is 1000 ml. Next one. It is already filled with 1000 ml. If you add 450 to 1000, what is the new reading? 1450. Okay. Come to the next page. Page number 37. Solve the following word problems. Read the sum. The capacity of a bottle of Pepsi is 1500 milliliters. The capacity of the Pepsi bottle, how much children? 1500 ml. Now what is the capacity of 15 such bottles? So they are given one bottle capacity and asking 15 bottles. So here they given one thing value and asking many. So what you have to do here? Multiplication. Capacity in milliliters. This is the common step. Capacity of one bottle. How much? 1500 ml. Now they are asking capacity of 15 such bottles. Capacity of 15 bottles. How much? 15 into 1500. Now multiply 1500 with 15. Okay, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Next multiply with tens place digit. 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. Now add these two rows. 0, 0, 5 plus 0. How much 5 plus 0? 7 plus 5, 12. 1 plus 1, 2. 22,500 ml. 22,500 ml. So 15, the capacity of 15 bottles is 22,500 ml. The capacity of 15 bottles is 22,500 ml. Okay. Next, read next sum. A milkman sold 48 liters 400 ml of milk on 3 days of a week and 52 liters 295 milliliters of milk in next 2 days. What quantity of milk did he sell in 5 days? So a milkman sold in a week, first 3 days in a week, how much quantity? 48 liters 400 ml, and in the next 2 days 52 liters 295 ml. Now they are asking to find out the total in the 5 days. A A milkman sold milk in liters and milliliters. This is the common step, children. A milkman sold milk on 3 days. How much quantity? 48 liters, 400 ml. And next, in the next 2 days, how much quantity? 52 liters, 295 ml. Now they are asking what quantity of milk did he sell in 5 days. So you have to find out 5 days. A milkman sold milk in 5 days. So here you are finding total. So add these two numbers. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 9, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 is carry forward, 0. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So 100 liters, 695 ml of milk, quantity of milk he sell in 5 days. Read the next sum. Nancy purchased 500 ml bottle of Coca-Cola, 300 ml can of Sprite and 2 liters of Maaza. What quantity of cold drinks did Nancy purchase all together? So you have to add all these quantities. Okay. Nancy purchased. Purchased 500 ml bottle of Coca-Cola. So write. Now write capacity or quantity of Coca-Cola bottle. How much? 500 ml. Next, capacity of Sprite. (300 ml). Capacity of Maaza bottle. Means 2000 ml. 2 liters means 2000 ml. So here you have to find out the total quantity of cold drinks. Now capacity of total. Alright, total capacity. Now add all these quantities. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. Only 2 is there in thousands place. So write 2. So here the total quantity of cold drinks is 2800 ml. That means 2 liters 800 ml. Now next read the last one. The consumption of diesel in a bus A on one day is 104 liters 108 milliliters, and the consumption of bus B is 110 liters 296 milliliters. Whose consumption is less and by how much? So here there are two buses, bus A and bus B. The diesel consumption of bus A is 104 liters 108 milliliters, and the consumption of bus B is 110 liters, 296 milliliters. Now they are asking whose consumption is less. Which bus consumption, oil consumption is less? Which one? Bus A. And how much they are asking. So here you have to find out how much quantity is less than bus B. Okay. The consumption of diesel in liters, milliliters. Bus A, the consumption of diesel of bus A. How much? 104 liters, 108 milliliters. And the consumption of diesel of bus B. How much? 110 liters, 296 milliliters. Once look children, which bus consumption is highest? Bus B. So first write bus B. 110 liters, 296 milliliters. After write A, bus A. 104 liters, 108 milliliters. Now which consumption, whose bus consumption is less and by how much they are asking. Less means lesser than, more than means you have to do subtraction. So do 6 minus 8, not possible. Get borrow. 9 becomes 8, 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8, how much? 8. Here in 16 there are 2 8s. 2 8s are 16 na? We are subtracting 1 8. The remaining 8. 8 minus 0, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. 0 minus 4, not possible. Get borrow. 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So 6 liters, 188 milliliters of oil is less than, bus A is less than bus B. So here whose consumption is less children? Bus A consumption is less. Bus A consumption is less. By how much they are asking? 6 liters, 188 milliliters of diesel. Is less. Okay. Okay children, workbook is completed. In the next video we will discuss about the activity book children.